Hello, welcome back to one of our training section. Today we shall be talking about how to produce air conditioner, and my name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Today we shall be talking about how to produce 4 liters of air conditioner, and we need about 12 materials to produce this. We need paraffin oil, petroleum jelly, wax, also known as Koda wax, cetyl acid, methyl paraben. Also, we will be using dicot A, borax, stearic acid, nitrosol, SLS, perfume, then water. The scale on your screen shows how to prepare 4 liters of air conditioner. So we'll be in need of paraffin oil, that is 60 grams. Then we need also 60 grams of petroleum jelly. We need 60 grams of Koda wax, and we also need about 60 grams of cetic alcohol. Cetic alcohol is used majorly in lotion, creams, and air. It smoothens and softens the skin and the air, so it's one of the softener in this particular production. We also need methyl paraben. Methyl paraben is an antifungal agent. It also promotes hair growth, so we need antibacterial, since females don't actually wash their hair often. They need to add something that would fight fungals. So methyl paraben is an antifungal in this particular preparation. Then we have dicot A. Dicot A also reduces friction and also allow easy brushing while combing. So we also can use about 60 grams also of dicot A. Then we also add borax. Borax is not in my preparation, but you need borax if you can lay your hands on it. Then this is also a stain remover. Also reduces odor. That's the essence of washing and putting air conditioner, to reduce odor. It's also a thickener and also a stain remover. So we also had cetic acid, which helps in washing away excess dirt and oil from the air. So we also need nitrosol and SLS. Nitrosol and SLS are washing agents. It's just like adding little soap into your air conditioner. Then you add perfume in order to make your hair smell good. Then we need 4 liters of water for this preparation. So before we move further, we need to look at the precautions. Avoid direct contacts with the chemicals. Try as much as possible to always use hand glove. Then take this chemical away from children. Do not taste the chemicals. So let's move into the preparation proper. But before we do that, if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do. And if you are yet to follow us on Facebook, please do. Prince Yemi Kasali 1 on Facebook, while you also search for Prince Yemi Kasali on YouTube and subscribe. Or just click the subscribe button below and click the bell beside it in order to get notified whenever we have any new training videos or motivational videos. Your subscription would motivate us to do more videos, while it will also give you room to always get notified whenever we have a new video. Let's go into the preparation proper. These are our chemicals. This is paraffin oil, petroleum jelly, wax, that is Koda wax or wax. Then we have cetyl alcohol, then methyl paraben. Then we also have dicot A. We have nitrosol, SLS. Then we have perfume and water. But in this preparation, we'll be boiling our water. So let's get started. We have about 3 different solutions here that we'll be pouring together. So let's start from the first solution. We'll have to heat some of our productions. Just have your pot or your frying pan, or put it on fire, then add these chemicals. The first thing we'll be adding is the paraffin oil. We had our measurement of paraffin oil into fire. We are not frying, we are only heating them, so you can keep your separation warm. Then after that, I am adding wax. You can also add in any order. So I'm adding my wax, then my water is at boiling point, so I have to switch off. Then I'm also adding cetic alcohol. I need to stir properly. Then we'll add petroleum jelly. So we make sure our gel dissolves and all gets into a liquid form. So I keep stirring till I have a well dissolved solution. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook if you are yet to do so. That encourages us to do more. So we'll be adding our hot water. I am measuring my water now. That's 1 liter of hot water. So I put that in a separate bowl. So after doing that, I need to add dicot A into it. So I add dicot A into it. I stir properly so as to have a well mixed solution. So after which we'll be adding formal preparation, the one we heat on fire. So we have to add that after we've stirred this properly. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Okay, so after doing that, so we stir properly in order to have a well mixed solution. So after which I'll be pouring the oil to my dicot A solution. So I stir properly. We have to keep stirring this. So just like in pap, you need to stir in order to not to have clots at the top. Then every 5 minutes till it gets cold, you have to keep stirring so that you don't have clot, because it will look like pap. You know, when you leave pap, you have the clots at the top. So after the clot, when you want to stir, those clots would have made some little particles, little particles, or undissolved particles or hard particles in your production. So we need to be careful. We need to keep stirring till it gets cold. That's our conditioner. So we need to add our soap agents into it. We'll be adding nitrosol in small bowl of water. We mix properly. Then we add SLS. Then we mix properly. As you can see, I'm also re-stirring the other solution in order to not have some clots in it, so that we have a smooth production. We'll be adding the two solutions together. So I'll be adding my SLS and nitrosol solution into the formal solution. So we have our air conditioner. This is how our air conditioner, it's perfect, it's cool, and that's it. But the only thing is we should keep stirring till it gets cold. So after that, we have our perfume into it so that it has a good smell. So after adding our perfume, our air conditioner is ready for use. The only thing is to make sure we keep stirring till it gets cold. Maybe every 3 minutes, we keep stirring till it gets cold. Otherwise, we might not have a well mixed production. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. I think this particular training will be useful. You can start producing for sales, and you can produce for your wife, or you can produce for yourself if you're a female at home, and for the family, your daughters. So thank you very much, but don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Drop your comment below in order to know what other productions you would love us to talk about, and also let's have your opinion about our training in order to improve our training to satisfy you. Thank you very much.